We are just in the middle of the highway. It's totally in the middle of nowhere.
And we bump into this legendary yurt.
民宿嗰個人話咧，如果你喺路上面咧見到一啲類似毡房或者蒙古包嘅嘢咧，咁有機會佢哋係有，所以我哋就想試下係咪真嘅。
Let's go and uncover these mysterious yurts. Can you believe we are already halfway through this amazing road trip? Click the subscribe and like button now. Your support really means a lot to me and motivates me to create more amazing content for you. Thank you so much. Xinjiang is really an amazing place where we experience diverse landscape within minutes. This morning, we just lost our drone in the snow-capped mountains and we're super afraid and not sure if we can find it. Go watch my last video for the whole story. After that, visiting the Kanas River, the second largest deep water lake in China.
But actually it's all frozen, so I want to do something interesting.
Do you think it will crack like spiderweb if I throw something in there so I can finally see the lake?
Oh. 唔係我嘅效果咯，好得意。影下。
Let's see how clean the water is.
好大架車咯。
咁駛佢後面都好危險喎。
係咯。
你一架咁嘅大車啊？
係我以為係飛機，即係 wind energy， 即係風力發電。係啊，
風力發電嗰啲咯。
After driving for 5 hours from snow mountain to desert-like area, there is just two tiny little problems.
我 feel 到有側風喎。
側風喺邊邊嚟啊？
嗰邊飛。
即係吹到你架車尾，你唔好俾佢吹咗落去。
啱前面啲一架，好似成日歪嚟歪去咯。我懷疑嗰架車尾咧，
吹到歪咗。
Wind is still fine, but the biggest issue is there is no restaurant at all on the way, as you can see from here.
So we have like breakfast. We thought we might buy some takeaway, but it's a bit too rushed when we come out, and then we forgot. And it's quite rural, totally rural. It also have a manned road here, which is exciting. But the main point is super hungry.
Suddenly, very randomly, we bump into two yurts, and we are very curious.
We are just in the middle of the highway. It's totally in the middle of nowhere.《民宿嗰個人話咧，如果你喺路上面咧見到一啲類似毡房或者蒙古包嘅嘢咧，咁有機會佢哋係有嘢食嘅，所以我哋就想試下係咪真嘅。
你好，有东西吃吗？这里啊，有饭吃吗？
有包子了是不是？
啊，
包子，
包子，
包子，包子，
包子，
包子好，
包子可以，包子可以。
这个，包子，
哦，包子，
多少钱？这个
3块一个，
两个
包子。
係真係有嘢食嘅喎。
It was totally surprised that they have a mini supermarket here. Look, you can also find stones in different colors in the shop.
谢谢，
謝謝。
半路上觉得很饿，都没吃
The
饭。
people here are incredibly kind and caring, knowing that we're hungry. Guess what? They surprised us with a delicious homemade salad. And take a look on these homemade meat buns. You can see it's full of filling here. It's with onion and a lot of fresh meat, and every bite is very juicy and full of the meat taste. Amazing! Out of nowhere, a friend of theirs joined us, and the table suddenly got filled with a lot more of meat buns. They also brought us fresh milk, straight from the farm this morning.
这是羊奶吗？
哦，謝謝。
Take a look at the texture of this milk. It's very thin, unlike anything you get from the supermarket.
鹹地。
好吧，对，加了盐在里面啊。
加了鹽是會保全更久嗎？
还是口味嘛？
還是口味？
好喝點。
During our conversation, turns out these amazing people used to be nomadic herders, roaming with their yachts wherever they went. And the friend just now just returned from a nomadic journey with sheep and cows. Despite the country and economics development, they've chosen to embrace the tradition by staying longer in each location. So that's why you can see the mini shop we are staying right now. The best part, there is no menu. They sell whatever they have freshly prepared that date. So if you ever find yourself hungry in the middle of nowhere, take a chance and visit their yurts to experience the fascinating life of these nomadic herders.
I think it's just so nice. You just like going into their home and eat together and chat together. So fun.
Don't mistakenly think all yurts are Mongolian yurts. In Xinjiang, you always come across the stunning sight of snow-white yurts. But wait, did you know that these yurts represent different cultures? Now, let's dive into how to spot the difference between Mongolian yurts and Kazakh yurts. The easiest way is to look at the shape of the roof crown at the top of the yurts. Mongolian yurts boast beautifully elaborate, intricately carved roof crowns, often with a more circular opening. On the other hand, Kazakh yurts has a simpler, more conical-shaped roof crown without a central opening. Additionally, it must also have a saying that Kazakh yurts typically have their doors facing east, while Mongolian yurts usually have the doors facing south. Test it out next time when you're there. Within just a few hours drive, we found ourselves in the middle of a desert like ghost city. It was like stepping into another world. So there are two ways to explore this ghost city. First of all is taking this little train like me, where they will show you some secret spots here. Do you think this look like the Phoenix with the lion's body and a human head? And do you think this look like a local yacht? It is very majestic. In the distance, huge stone pillars of different shapes are just opposed, like in a abandoned ancient city. Look, what is this? I only saw this on TV before. The beam pumping unit for oil. Guess what? I can even try pumping oil myself. But why I feel this look like the machine in the park that the old people will play with? Shit, classic. How do I know? Other than the tourist income on the ground, the city also got underground income. What I mean is that the place is the first largest oil field that found in China in 1955, and some people even kidding and said that every touch of this machine is $10. Make one of yourself, you'll have the best passive income ever. And it is still now the largest oil production in the Western China and ranked at number 8 for oil production in China. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!